Hello. In today's world, environmental sustainability is a top priority for businesses. ISO 14001:2015 certification provides a globally recognized framework for organizations to manage their environmental responsibilities effectively. At Filings Corner, we simplify the entire certification process, ensuring seamless compliance and recognition for your business. What is ISO 14001:2015 certification? Narrator. ISO 14001:2015 is an international standard that sets out the criteria for an environmental management system, EMS. It helps businesses reduce waste, optimize resources, and comply with environmental laws while promoting sustainability. Who needs this certification? Narrator. Any organization looking to improve its environmental impact can benefit from ISO 14001:2015, including manufacturing companies, minimize pollution and industrial waste, construction firms, ensure eco-friendly project execution, energy and utility providers, optimize resource consumption, waste management firms, improve recycling and disposal processes, service-based businesses, reduce energy use and carbon footprint, public sector organizations demonstrate environmental commitment. Why is ISO 14001:2015 important? Narrator. With this certification, businesses can meet legal environmental requirements, reduce operational costs through efficient resource management, identify and control environmental risks, strengthen brand reputation and customer trust, enhance corporate sustainability efforts. Filings Corner's certification process. Narrator. Here's how Filings Corner ensures a smooth and efficient certification process. 1. Consultation and evaluation. We assess your current environmental policies and practices. 2. Documentation and compliance check. We prepare the required reports and records. 3. Audit and verification. We ensure full adherence to ISO 14001:2015 standards. 4. Certification issuance. Once verified, you'll receive your official ISO 14001:2015 certification. Required documents. Narrator. Industry-specific documents include business registration, GST, MSME, etc., environmental policies and compliance records, waste management and sustainability reports, resource consumption data and audit records. Why choose Filings Corner? Narrator. Why trust Filings Corner with your ISO 14001:2015 certification process? Accredited ISO certification provider, industry experts and environmental specialists. Fast, hassle-free process, end-to-end compliance assistance. Start your certification today. Narrator. ISO 14001:2015 certification is your gateway to sustainable growth. Get in touch with us today or visit filingscorner.com to file your ISO 14001 certification effortlessly.